So in today's video, we're going to look at the mRound function. So the mRound function returns a number rounded to the nearest desired multiple. So I've got an example here. So there's a lot of talk right now about removing the 1 penny or 1 cent from circulations, which means that when you are in a store and you're buying things, the store is going to have to round, and I'm sure it's going to be up. They're going to have to round to the nearest 5 cent. So here we've got some examples. So this is mRound, and I'm taking A3 and round it to the nearest 0.05, so 5 cents in other words for this example. You can see these all round to the nearest 5 cent. But one interesting thing is this one here rounded down. So if you wanted to force it always to round up, you could embed the round up function to 2 decimal points first, and then do an mRound to 5 cents. Here's another example. So say that there's you're taking orders. You've got a calculation. Maybe this is carpet size or something like that. It's a very specific number that gets calculated, but the minimum orders are in quantities of 10, multiples of 10. So here we've got mRound. I take the number and round to 10. So comma 10. And then this you can see 5 goes to 10, 55 goes to 60, 2367 goes to 2370, and 557 goes to 660. So that is how mRound is used. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.